How to hide follower and following list on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to hide following our follower list on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. So this method will work both on Android or iOS. Launch Instagram app, sign in, proceed to profile icon at bottom right and head towards the three-line icon at top right corner. Where on the setting panel, you simply need to scroll down. And now tap on account privacy option and you need to turn on the button for private account. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you shares, including your photos, videos, or hashtag and location pages. Also your followers and following list. So make sure you have changed your creator account to personal account to do this. So let's proceed towards the creator tools and controls option and select switch account type and tap on switch to personal account and select switch to personal account. And once you have converted your creator's account, you can proceed to account privacy and make it to private. Select switch to private. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.